स्वतंत्र कीजिए अपने विचार होस्टिंगर के साथ। खरीदे वेब होस्टिंग 129
Oh, let me check one more time. How is it looking?
Hi guys, thank you so much for joining.
Shit.
So I hope you guys can see me over the screen.
Okay, this is just a testing. Let me check whether it is good or not. Okay, this is just a testing. Let me check whether it is good or not. Okay, I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect now. Okay, this is just a testing. Let me check whether it is good or not. Okay, I think it's perfect. Okay, so it's good now. Okay, thanks. Thank you so much. Some settings happened. Something bad happened, and because of that only it makes a problem. But now things are good. I hope you can see me. See me. Voice is clear. Everything is good. Okay. And sorry for the disturbance, guys. Because of me, you have to wait like anything. Okay, let me scroll it up. Okay, first of all, let me take the feedback from all of you. Whether the sound is clear, voice is clear, everything is clear. If it is good, then we'll start. Okay, we'll continue. So basically, in this lecture, we are going to learn about RMAN backup with the help of shell scripting. So what my intention is, I want to take full database backup. Okay, I'm going to take the backup of Oracle 19c database, but this is not a simple backup, guys. Okay, this backup will be happen with the help of Oracle 19c. Okay, that's what I'm planning to do. Okay, so it's a Oracle 19c backup. Again, this backup this backup we will take with the help of shell scripting. Okay, so this will be really interesting. Many times when you go for an interview, the people will definitely ask you like, I want to take the backup and how I can take the backup with the help of shell scripting. What are all different types of automation that you have done when you work as a Oracle DBA. Okay, so this video will be helpful for you. Okay, with this video will be, you can do all those things. Okay, let's try to see these things. Okay, so can we start now? Okay, let's start then. Okay, I hope you guys can see everything is clear. Let me just put it like this. Okay, let me go back and let me check how's it's looking now. Earlier a lot of people joined, and when some issues happened, and because of that only I was not able to continue. Okay, let's assume that. Okay, so this is my database which I have just started. Okay, this is my Oracle 19c database, and if you just go there, show PDBs. Okay, you can see there are some pluggable databases are there. Okay, and this is my container database. Inside the container database I have some 4 pluggable databases are there. So what is my intention? My intention is I want to take the backup. So first of all, I'm going to check whether my database is in archive log mode or not. I can see my database is in archive log mode, and all of my archives are going into this destination. Okay, that's it. That is what happening right now. I don't know what's happening today. I'm doing a lot of fumble. All right, so my database is in archive log mode, and currently it is going into this location. Now let's do one thing. Let's start with the shell scripting. Okay, so how are you going to take the backup? First of all, if you want to take the backup, you need to connect to the RMAN, right? Then you will write down one script, one small run block. Okay, we already know about the RMAN backup, right? So what is in the RMAN backup? We discuss about the run block. Okay, we know about the run block. What is run block? So run block will be looks like the run. Okay, and here you are going to write down your script. So what I want to execute, first of all, I'm going to take the backup of my database. So let's say you want to take the backup of database, so you'll say backup database. Second, you are going to take a backup of your SP file. Third thing, you are going to take the backup of your control file. Okay, and lastly you will take the backup of your archive logs. Okay, so all this backup you are going to take, and everything you are going to mention into the run block. So this is a RMAN run block which is helping to take a different backup within a single block. You can do that, right? So what I'm doing, I have one script available, so I'm just going to that website. Okay, let me go to this website, and from there I'm just taking the shell script. Shell script. Okay, so I need basically RMAN backup, right? So RMAN backup, I need to search with the RMAN backup, and I have RMAN backup script here, so which will take my database backup. Okay, so I'm just going here. So I have the run block here. Okay, this is my run block. What I'm going to do, I'll just paste it here in some location. All right, so what exactly it is doing? First of all, I'm going to allocate some channels so that my backup will be faster, and multiple slave process will be created internally which will take your backup parallelly. Okay, so parallelly backup, if you want to take the backup parallelly in the RMAN, you can allocate it a channel. Right now I have allocated 3 channels. Depending upon the resources, you can allocate it the number of channels. Then I'm going to take the backup of my database. It will be incremental level 0 backup, and format means where this backup is going to be stored. The backup is going to be stored into the data RMAN directory. So first of all, I will take the backup of my database, then I will take the backup of my control file, and then I will take the backup of my SP file. All of this backup are going into the directory called /data/RMAN. Now what is this? And at last I'm going to take the backup of archive logs also. Now you'll ask me like, what is this? This is called a format specifier. Whenever you store your backup, every backup you will give some name, right? So let's say I want to give the name of my database. So this %d will get replaced with the database name. So D here I have not mentioned anything percentage. It means to say it is a hard coded. Hard coded means it will be D. D refer to the database. This is the backup of my database. C refer to the backup of my control file. S refer to the backup of SP file, and A refer to the backup of archive logs. So by looking to the name of my backup itself, I'll understand, okay, this is a backup of my database, this is a backup of my control file, SP file, and archive logs. So I can see very clearly here. And these are the format specifiers are there. What I'm doing, I want to run this script, okay, inside the shell script. I want to run this block inside the shell script. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to check whether the directory is available on the server or not. Okay, so cd/data/RMAN, where the backup is going to be stored. I can see the directory is there. That's fine. Okay, now let's create the script vi RMAN. Okay, what I'm doing, I'll just remove, if I have anything, ls-lrt, I'll remove unnecessary things from my server, and then we'll start. All right, okay. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know, guys. Okay, apart from this, I just want to tell you here that I have created a big playlist related to the Oracle DBA interview question, which is completely real time. Okay, which is completely real time. If you just watch those videos and if you just prepare from that video, definitely you can crack the interviews. Okay, so those type of stuffs are there, and if you are interested, you can just connect back to me over my WhatsApp or mobile number. The fees is very like comparatively the efforts which I put there, it is 2000 for Indian rupees and $30 for the USD. Okay, all right, let's start it. Apart from this, if you have any questions, queries, let me know. I am ready to take the questions also. I can see the people are there. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just creating a script vi rman.sh. Okay, I'm just creating a script rman.sh. This is the name of my script. First of all, we need to write down the shebang line. Okay, we need to write down the shebang line /bin/bash. Second thing, what I will do now, I'm saying that echo backup started. I'm just printing one message, backup is starting, strting. Okay, along with that, I need to give some timestamp also. So I'll create one variable, date equals to this is going to store my date actually. Okay, date plus percentage y. I want this date to come into the YMD format, percentage d. Okay, I got it. Now if you are not confident what it is going to give me the output, what you can do, you can just take this. Okay, open a duplicate session and then just log in with root or Oracle on the second terminal and fire this command. If I fire this is going to give me the current date as per the server. Okay, and it is coming in the YMD format. Here you can see. Okay, now I want to append this date here. So as I said earlier, you can append like this $date, because this is a variable. This is a variable. Now I am going to connect to the RMAN target slash. Then I am going to use, this is the script which I just created. This is a small run block which will take the backup of my database, control file, SP file and archive logs. So I will just take this and I will paste it here. That's it. So this run block will get executed. Now what I need, I am looking for something different. I want, when this run block will get executed, it will create some log information like where the backup is going. Okay, what is the backup piece name, all this information it will generate. I want that information to be stored into the log file in some particular location so that I can refer it, and even the backup is getting failed, so I will come to know, okay, whether the backup is failed or not by looking to the log file. So what I will do, I will use this end of file and I will save it into one log file. So I will say let me give some name like backup underscore status underscore, and every log file I will append the date. So what I will do, I will say $date. So this date is going to be replaced with this date. Okay, because we already see what it is going to give. It is going to give the current date in the YMD format. Okay, and this is the location also you can mention here. If you want to put in some particular location, you can mention /home/Oracle. I want to put it in this particular location. Okay, now I have opened this file by using this parameter, by using this symbol. I have opened this file. So whatever comes below that, it is going to save into the log file. Which log file? This log file. So the file we have opened it, I need to close that file. So I'll say end of file here. I have closed the file. Okay, now apart from this, if you want to do any type of things, you can just, obviously you can do it over here. Now let's say once it is done, let's say you need to send the email also. You want to send the email also. Okay, you want to send the email also saying like, okay, backup is completed, and you want to send that log file as your attachment. So how to do that? So for that I have one script which is related to the sending an email. Let me just take that where it is. I don't have handy with me. Okay, so I'll just take this. Okay, and I'll make some small changes as per our requirement. Okay, what I will do, message body here, I'll say backup RMAN backup status. Okay, then I'm going to send this email mailx-x. What is the subject? So subject, this is actually body, right? So in body you can mention that please check log file for backup status, so because we are sending that log file as our attachment, and this is a subject. So you can mention here RMAN backup status. Okay, -a. This is your attachment actually. Okay, so attachment, from where you will get it? You will get the attachment from the script only. Let me go there. This is your attachment, and this is going to send me the email on this email ID. Okay, this is just a test email ID I have created for this email functionality, and let me put that. So what I will do, I will just put this here. Okay, so let me check whether it will trigger an email message or not. Okay, we'll just see that. So first of all, I'm going to execute this. Okay, I have saved the file with the rman.sh, and now I am going to give the executable permission chmod plus x rman.sh. Till now, if you have any questions, let me know over the chat. We can discuss over it. Okay, people are watching. That's great. So what I'm doing, if you want to run the shell script, you need to write bash rman.sh. I just ran it like this. Now, what it will do, see here, can you see the first statement has been started, backup is starting along with the date. Now, if you just open the another terminal, it must have created a log file here. Okay, in this location, it must have created a log file which has the information about your currently running backup. Okay, because we have write down a code in a such way that it will create a backup log file /home/oracle in this location. I'm going here. If I go ls-lrt, this is a log file it has created, right? So let me open that log file. Now our backup is going on, guys. Okay, and this is a log file where you can see the backup status. Now it has connected to the RMAN and it will start the backup of your database. So what we did, we have created a small RMAN backup script which is taking the backup of my SP file, control file, archive logs, and once the backup is getting completed or once the backup gets started, it will generate a log file. So it has created this log file, backup status along with the date. Okay, now the backup is started. Okay, so slowly backup is started, and here you can see we got connected to the RMAN also. This is a log file. See, here you can see the log information about your backup. Backup is going on now. Slowly backup is going on. Are you able to understand, guys? If anyone have any question, is this really helping you, or let me know your feedback. Okay, that is really helpful for me, because by looking to your interest only, I feel like okay, I should create more videos. Okay, what if so there is a question from Amit, like if my database is down and on the time the backup got triggered. So basically, before that we are going to write down one shell script. Okay, before the script, okay, rman.sh, we created this script, right? So before, on the top of this rman.sh, so first of all you will check whether you can write down a script in a such way that first of all it will check whether your database is in archive log mode or not. Second thing is you are going to check whether your database is up and running. If these two checks get passed, then and only then it will get starting your database backup. Otherwise you will get an error message, or you will get an email message saying that backup got failed due to this particular error message. So you can write down those scripts also, or you can just append those script here only in this rman.sh. So what I will do in the next live streaming, I will show you how you can check the database status, with the help of shell scripting. So if your database is up and running, then and only then this backup should run. That backup should go. Okay, this is called conditional statement. With the help of if statement you can do if else if. So we are going to discuss this in the next lecture. Okay, we'll definitely see right now you can see the backup started, and this is I'm able to monitor this backup in the log file. Thanks guys, thanks Amrish. Take care of your family and take care of yourself also. Like due to this COVID, the situation is really getting worse, and we need to help ourselves only. Okay, so better don't go outside and stay at home. So here you can see the backup started, and this is a log information. Okay, see here. Now when the backup will get completed, I can easily check this log file. Okay, even though, let me tell you the advanced part of it. You can write down a shell script which will check whether there are any ORA error or whether there are any RMAN errors which says that you have some error. If there is a RMAN error or ORA errors are there, it means to say there are some issues, the backup has been failed. Okay, the backup has been failed. It will be like this. Apart from this, any question, guys? Let me know. I am ready to take the questions from your side. Now the backup is still going on. Okay, I'm just waiting for this backup only. See here, the backup gets started. We have not got our prompt back till now. Okay, it means the backup is still going on. All right, so backup is going on. Since it is a full database backup, obviously it will take some time, right? So, and one more update is like I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from next week. So if anyone is interested to learn all these real-time activities while we do as a Oracle DBA, if you want to learn this shell scripting, you can contact me. I will be definitely helping you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from next week. Those who are interested, they can just reach out to me and they can be the part of this. Apart from this, if you are just looking for interview questions, then also you can contact me. I have a lot of interview questions and with a very minimal cost, so you can go through that. And and obviously, you know, the good thing is like many people have got a very good response by looking to those, and all those are real-time interview questions. Okay, so that will be really helpful for you. Now this backup is going to take some time. Okay, so what we can do, like once this backup is completed, we will get this log file, and if this backup is getting failed by any chance, we will have some RMAN dash or ORA dash error message will be there in that, right? So you can just find out those error. If it is there, then you will say that your backup got failed. Okay, so you can write down the script like that. Okay, so almost it has started taking the backup of archive log, so the backup will get finished now. Okay, it's almost done. Just wait for some time and the backup is going to be completed. Okay, so in the last moment we are going to take the backup of your archives. Okay, almost done. Today my server is very slow, looks like that. Because of that only it's taking time, because some other activities are also going on the server, so because of that only it's very slow. But anyway, it will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes, I think, now, because we are almost reached to the last point, which is your archive logs. So once archive log backup get completed, our backup will be completed. Okay, so we are almost here. So if you have any questions, doubt, clear anything, and let me know. Okay, I'm ready to take your questions here. We can discuss. Basically I'm free, so I want to discuss all those things here. Okay, that will be easy for you also. Even I want to discuss here. Backup is going on. Let's take the backup. I think it's perfect now. I think I should fix this live streaming timing. Even I'm thinking it from so many years, but the thing is, whenever I'll get a free time, I'm just coming. So those people who are much looking to the YouTube notification, they will come to know, okay, whether the backup, whether I am live or not. First man. Just wait. Okay, yeah, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. It's moving. Little bit it's moving. Slowly it's moving. And I think it will get completed. The backup set for your archives also got completed. I can see here. And let's wait for some time. So today I think you have understood how you can take the backup with the help of shell scripting, and this script you can use in your real-time production environment. There are many people are there, they are DBA, but they are not good in shell scripting. So if you want someone to be different, like if you want like to be different from others, okay, to see yourself and do the lot of get something in your life, okay, so you can target to the shell scripting. You'll find a lot of DBA with the very good technology, but you'll find a lot of very less people like with the shell scripting technology, okay. So you can definitely target to this is going to be boom in the market, okay, because the organization wants someone who is mainly concentrating on the shell scripting part, okay. That's the understanding. Oh, but more, it's taking too much time, okay. Yeah, okay. So how much it is completed? Starting a backup. Let me go to the server. What's it doing? Because there are two machines are running, okay. One is my OEM machine is running, and this is also, so because of that only it's taking too much time. So those who are live and they if you guys thinking that this session is really helpful, just help me with liking this video, okay. That will be really helpful for me, okay. Please like this video, share this video, and whoever likes it, that will be really easy. Where is that? Where is the backup script? Okay, it's stuck here only. Let me check whether I have space available in the mount point, or the server itself is very slow. Actually, what's happening here, I'm just installing this OEM in this another window, and that's why it's taking too much time. Okay. Yeah, I can see the server itself is very slow, okay. That's a problem. See, even I'm not even able to make the connection. That's why it's taking too much time, okay. Thanks, Abhiroop. Go fast, boss, go fast. Very slow. I think it's 100% full. So when the server is running, that time we cannot reduce the size of your, that's a problem. I have given some 13 GB to this OEM, and we cannot reduce it at this point because the machine is running. Okay, so if you want to reduce the size of your machine, you need to stop it, but I cannot stop because my other installation is going on. Okay, that's a problem. So right now the status of the machine is very slow, very slow actually. Okay, but I think you guys understood the concept. Okay, how it looks. Okay, because machine is very stuck here, so I don't think so it will like it will be completed now. Okay, it will get completed, but again it will take a long time. Okay, so this is how you can automate the backup. Okay, and this is how you can send the email also. I also write down the script there which will send the email. Okay, so we can automate many things. Okay, if you have any questions, queries, okay, let me know. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Okay, see you with the next live streaming, maybe on Saturday or maybe by tomorrow also I'll try. Okay, so those who are interested for training, you can reach out to me. Those who are looking for interview question series, you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel, and we'll be again live. I'll be again live in the next Saturday or Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.